The visual design for a UX is one of the most important parts. It is mainly what your audience sees and what they interact with. A really good visual design has the ability to lure a lot of users and customers in. The more people interact with your user interface visual design, the more you get potential customers. In return, that means more conversions and more sales. Now, who wouldn't want that? To turn website visitors into customers, they need to have a good experience on your website. The look and feel of your website create their first impression, so it's important to have a great design including color scheme, graphics, and overall design elements. A good website doesn't need to be an art installation, but it should be designed well and look credible. Most of the visual design expertise will come from the talent and skills of your graphic designer. However, your graphic designer won't be able to make a great design if your UX practitioner doesn't know the following principles of visual design. Able to make a great visual design, there needs to be great teamwork and constant communication between each team. Colors have a significant psychological impact on people. Some colors can improve mood, promote calmness and trust, while others can make people uneasy. People's interpretation and reaction to colors depend on their preferences and learned cues. Skilled designers understand the potential of colors in guiding and influencing users' experiences. Images used on websites have a significant impact on user behavior and interaction. Careful selection and testing of images is necessary, as it is not always clear which images will be effective. Keeping images consistent with the brand and using real photos of people can be beneficial, as humans tend to relate and connect with others through facial expressions and emotions. Site structure refers to how you organize your website's content. In other words, the pages and posts on your website. These often have a variety of related topics, and site structure deals with how this content is grouped, linked, and presented to the visitor. If you are offering a product or a service, testimonials from your previous customers and client helps make your website look more credible. When people see testimonials from fellow users and previous customers, they are more likely to trust your website. When you are encouraging people to purchase, it is easier for them to click that Buy Now or Sign Up Now button if they see other people are doing it too. So for every sale you get, it is highly advisable to ask people for their honest reviews. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for the updated videos. See you next week!